In this conversation, Jessica and Robert discuss various aspects of health and fitness, including physical activity, diet, sleep, mental health, and stress management. They also share tips and strategies for staying healthy and motivated.
Hi, Robert. How are you doing?
Hi, Jessica. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. I've been trying to stay healthy and fit. Have you been doing anything for your health?
Yes, I've been hitting the gym regularly and eating healthy. It's been helping me stay energetic throughout the day. What about you?
I've been going for a jog every morning and I've also started doing yoga. It's been really good for my mental health as well.
That's great to hear. I've been thinking about trying yoga too. How has it been for you?
It's been amazing. It helps me relax and de-stress, and it's also improved my flexibility and strength. You should give it a try.
I think I will. I've also been watching my diet and trying to eat more fruits and vegetables.
That's a great step towards a healthier lifestyle. I've been trying to drink more water too. It's important to stay hydrated.
Absolutely. I've also cut down on sugary drinks and have been drinking more water and herbal teas.
That's a good idea. I've also been trying to get enough sleep. It's important for overall health.
I agree. Sleep is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. I've been trying to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night.
That's a good goal. I've also been trying to reduce my screen time before bed to improve the quality of my sleep.
That's a smart move. Blue light from screens can disrupt our sleep patterns. I've also been focusing on my mental health by practicing mindfulness and meditation.
That's great to hear. Mental health is just as important as physical health. I've also been doing breathing exercises and journaling to manage stress.
That's a good idea. It's important to find ways to relax and unwind. I've also been trying to stay active throughout the day, not just during my workouts.
That's important. I've been doing some stretching and light exercises at my desk to avoid sitting for too long.
That's a good habit. I've also been taking short breaks to walk around and stretch throughout the day.
That's a good idea. It's important to keep our bodies moving. I've also been trying to find fun ways to stay active, like dancing or hiking.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I've been thinking about joining a sports team or a fitness class to stay motivated and meet new people.
That's a great idea. It's always good to have a support system and a sense of community when it comes to health and fitness. Well, it was nice talking to you about health and fitness. Let's keep each other motivated and accountable.
Absolutely. It's always good to have a fitness buddy. Let's do this together. Hope you people understand it clearly. So please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video.